Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Rpgshow. And today I'm going to be showcasing another straight out of the box unit. Just wanted to show you some of the items that came in the package. And they included this really cute purple velvet headband. Like, ooh, love how vibrant it is. The unit that I will be showcasing today is from the Sophia the Wig Stylist collection. This is the blonde balayage lace front wig. This unit comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and it also has an adjustable elastic band. And it comes with the upgraded pre-plucked hairline. Like, look at that hairline straight out of the box. Yes, I'm not gonna have to do anything to it. I am all for that. This unit also has the invisible knots and the real scalp, and you get a good amount of parting space. Now, of course, the further over you move to the side, you will run into those tracks. I have to cut off a small amount of lace because, of course, I like for that to sit above my ear on the sides. And then I'm just going to work on cutting off the rest of the lace in the front of the hairline. Now, this is their tinted transparent Swiss lace, so very easy to blend in. You can rock this unit glueless, but for today, I'm going to go in with my active hold spray. Now, of course, all the products that I am using in today's video can be found down below in the description area. That has dried down, I'm just going to go in with some of my flyaway tamer. I'm going to place that at the top of the unit and also around the front of the hairline. And then I am going to take my hot comb and just begin to press everything out because I want the top to be really nice and flat. And I also want the sides to be really nice and sleek. Now I have this hot comb turned up to, I believe, 410 degrees. This one does go up to 500. So I have to be very careful because I have definitely burned myself a few times. For today's look, I definitely want to give this some really nice and soft waves. So I'm going to go in with my wand curler, and I'm using a bigger barrel today that has the smaller ends to it. Now, there were a few pieces that I had to go back and redo because, of course, I took bigger sections. Now, when I moved up towards the very front of the unit, well, the very top of the unit, I did take smaller sections, and it definitely came out a bit more defined. Before I fluff this hair up, I do want to go ahead and put my powder into the parting space area just to kind of brighten it up. And then I'm also going to go around the hairline because it does come off a little bit darker due to the spray. And I'm also going to move some of that hair out of the way in the hairline just to make sure I get in there really good because I want this to look as scalp-like as possible. And then I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis because I did notice some frizziness with this hair. So I'm going to make sure I rub a generous amount through, and then I'm just going to fluff up the hair and work that towards the ends. This is the final look. The waves on this came out really pretty. I am loving how this hairline looks. I'm also loving that I did not have to go in and pluck out anything. It just looks flawless already. And then I'm loving the length on this. Now this unit does start at the 16 inches that I am rocking, and it goes all the way up to 20 inches. So guys, make sure you stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts when it comes to this unit. When they were saying density, they were not playing. One thing I love about the lace front units from Rpgshow is that they are not going to skimp you when it comes to hair. This is 200% in density. So if you do not like, you know, a lot of fullness going on, then you might want to go for another cap construction, just because this is full. This is really nice and full. 16 inches. I am loving the length on this. When I turned around, it was perfect. It looked really nice and full. Also, you're not going to have to worry about any traction, and it's going to make for a good ponytail if you wanted to get the hair out of the way. Melt this unit down using my active hold spray. However, you can rock this unit glueless. This is a perfect fit for my head. This is a cap size 1. I did have to go in on the side and just cut off a little bit of lace. But if I would have put on my wig grip and then bobby pin the sides down and maybe just put like a little mousse in the front, I would have been good to go. But of course, I wanted to just be a little extra today and get this super laid. You do get that transparent Swiss lace, so it is going to melt into your skin. It's also going to blend very, very well. And you get that really nice parting space. Like, look at that parting space. I did have to put a little bit of powder into the parting space area because you can see my cap a little bit. And you get a good amount of parting space. Of course, the further you get to the side, then those tracks are going to show. Also put a little powder around the hairline area just to knock out some of that sheen from the spray. But this unit already comes pre-plucked, so I didn't have to go in and do any extra plucking. And it already comes pre-bleached, so it's pretty much dang near ready to go. It's a silky texture, and this color on this unit is beautiful. This is definitely a unit you can wear all year round. I decided to go in with my wand curler today because I wanted a wavy look, and I didn't want it to look too tight. I wanted it to drop down, you know, exactly like this. So the wand curler was perfect for that. The ends of this are nice and full. I styled this unit straight out of the package. Of course, you can always go and wash your unit. One thing I did notice is that this unit did feel a bit dry straight out of the package, and I'm not sure if it's because of the color on this unit, and then also because this is a silky texture, I am noticing a bit more frizziness and also flyaways. But I feel like once you wash it and you condition it, it's going to just all, you know, it's gonna all blend in pretty good, and you won't get too much of that frizziness and flyaways going on. So I did make sure to use my Sleek and Shine serum just to kind of tame that, but I still noticed a little bit of it in the back. I also had to put some of my wax at the top. And I had to go back through it because I did notice those shorter hairs sticking up, and they're like those longer shorter hairs, so I wanted to make sure that that was laid down. Speaking of laid down, as you can see, this unit is really nice and flat. It already comes pre-parted as a middle part, but I had to elongate the parting space, so it was a little bit humpy on this side. I had to make sure to turn the heat up on the hot comb just to get it down super flat, but I feel like it looks good now. Shedding and tangling goes, I did get some snags in the nape area, and I also did receive a little bit of shedding. Let me know what you think about this unit. I think that this is a cute one, and I am loving this length. I know some people still like to rock this length in the wintertime. I also know some people like to go a bit longer, but I still feel like this is great, especially for an everyday look. If you want something nice and full with some color, you might want to check this out. I'm going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.